Okay, made some progress in the cold. Now we can really see the engine just floating there. Oh yeah, hey KFG. And cylinder number 3. That's where it got hit. Hard to see. I don't really see the wear on the cylinder. Apparently there was a slight nick. One of the valve keepers is missing, but that definitely can't fit in the clearance, so I'm not sure where this little nick is. But the bottom end seems fine. Hard to tell. Anyways. Just stripping her down. Whew. That looks kind of cool. And then there's the heater rocking out. Here's the head. If I was going to show you, I'll flip it this way so you can see in the light better. There it is, the valve that got bent. These gaskets are heavy, by the way. And then the parts, as I'm going through. Trying to get it all ready to get this dirty engine out of here. Have a nice rolling chassis. Alright, thanks for tuning in.